Lower the toilet onto the new vinyl plank flooring with a fresh wax or rubber ring and seat it squarely on the flange to prevent leaks. Begin by wearing gloves and having a helper ready to steady the bowl while you work. Check the flange height so it sits flush with the top of the vinyl plank. If the flange is below the finished floor by more than 1/4 inch, you will need a flange extender or a thicker ring to ensure a proper seal. Use a new wax ring or a wax-free rubber gasket rated for plank flooring and center it on the flange, not the toilet base, so the seal compresses evenly. Guide the toilet straight down over the bolts, keeping it level and avoiding any rocking that can crack the porcelain or shear the seal. Tighten the nuts by hand first, then alternate turns on each side with a wrench until snug. Stop when the bowl just stops rocking and do not over-tighten because that will crack the base. Reconnect the water supply, turn the valve on, and flush several times while observing for seepage at the base and a slow fill that might indicate a misaligned or crushed ring. Common problems include a flange that sits too low, which causes the seal to compress unevenly and leak. Fix this with a flange spacer or an appropriate thickness gasket so the ring fully contacts both flange and bowl. Another issue is over-tightening the bolts and cracking the porcelain. Prevent that by tightening incrementally and stopping as soon as the bowl is stable and snug. The third frequent mistake is not checking the toilet for level and rocking after installation, which will eventually fail the seal. If there is any, use plastic shims at the bolt locations trimmed flush with the base. Then caulk around the base if desired for appearance, while leaving a small gap at the back to detect future leaks. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who do bathroom flooring and toilet reinstallation projects and hosts a discussion community where we and other users share experience and advice. We help contractors find jobs and let homeowners post project details and ask questions so everyone can learn from real-world examples.